Do you know the feeling of people watching at you, the strangers, when you are recording, shooting yourself in a crowded place? So right now we are traveling in Bengaluru local BMTC bus. This is something that I actually wanted from a very long time, speaking out, recording wherever you are, and I got this opportunity now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee Chat. So in this video, as I said before, we are gonna unbox this gift box that I received from my friend. So as I showed in my recent shorts, this is a wireless microphone and we are gonna unbox this in this video. We got our scissors to unbox and we got the box and we got this small little Rubik's Cube. First of all, get this out from the box. So the moment I saw this gift box at my desk, I was a little surprised. I don't know what is inside this gift wrap because the size of it and this small rectangle box, I didn't expect it that this is gonna be a microphone in the first place. And by seeing this microphone, I was so happy because this is something useful to me. I can use this in my upcoming videos, and if the quality is nice enough, then I can take this outside and I can make some vlogs in whichever the places that I visit. So I'm quite excited to unbox this microphone today because this is a wireless microphone. Till now, whatever I was using is a wired microphone, that Boya M1 collar one. So this is my first wireless Bluetooth microphone that I'm gonna use, and this is from Grenaro. As you can see, it's Grenaro wireless microphone, and it's all wrapped completely, so we need to unwrap this. Just tearing the outer layer first. Okay, this is done. Grenaro wireless microphone, HD quality sound, intelligent noise detection, reverb mode, long battery life. I don't know how many hours it's gonna come. Let's see. Portable and widely compatible. All right, so I will share the details of this Grenaro wireless microphone at the end of this video because I don't know the cost details of it. So at the moment, let's just unbox this because I received this as a gift and I don't actually know how much it costed and what is its reviews so far and everything. I'll share at the end of this video. So let's proceed unboxing this. This is just a slider that I can slide like this, and we got our microphone. This is looking good actually with this noise reduction filter, this little one that we can put it to the microphone and we can stick it to our collars. Yep, now you can see clearly this is the microphone that we got inside the box. I'm just taking this off so that can I take this? I don't know. It's little tight here. I guess I can take this. Come on, I don't want to tear you apart. Oh, this is actually well pre-fitted into the microphone, so I actually don't want to disturb this, so let's keep it aside for some time. This is the the collar, the clip that we can just put into our collars. Here we got three little logos. One is noise cancellation, and here that's something like a link logo, and finally we got this battery logo. And is this a button? Okay, this is not a button. Fine. All right, but I like this little puffy pop filter kind of protection for the mic. So let me one last time try to get this out. I'm curious to see how the actual microphone looks like. Yes, I got this. Okay, yeah, so this is how the actual microphone looks like. Sorry for I can see that there are a lot of on and offs going inside, like the frame is not so constant, the lighting is going on and off, but this is the behavior of my mobile camera for now. So yeah, this is the microphone. As you can see, this the actual one, and we can actually use this also. I'm just trying to put it back if I can do this. Come on. Okay, I don't want to waste much of my time for this. Let me see if I am missing any of the items inside the box. We got this connected to the mobile directly, and I could see that there are actually, are these two lights? I'm trying to focus my mobile. Yes, yep, these are looking like lights. Let's see. Let's connect and see if these are lights. Okay, here we got this charger. It is also Type-C charger for this microphone. Let me put this aside. And here we have nothing. This is just a piece of paper. Let me put this aside. And here we got something interesting in this side of the box. Let me try to open this. Is there anything inside? Any cable? I guess this could be a cable. Type-C to Type-A, I guess. Small little box inside the box. Okay, let's see. Let's open this. Come on. Okay, I got another pop filter to the microphone. I can use this, or I can either use this. Anything works. So we'll compare the quality of the sound by using both of this, which is better. We'll just try to test that also. And as I expected, this is a cable from Type-A to Type-C. So this is all that we got inside this small Grenaro wireless microphone box. We got this cable, we got this microphone, and 2 pop filters they have given, which is a good thing. We can use any of the one which we like to use. And we got this connector to the mobile directly. So I have went through the manual which is provided in the box, and I found some information about this microphone. Let me share you with that. First things first, the microphone we have is transmitter, and then we have this piece which is called the receiver. All we need to do is take out your mobile phone and then connect this receiver to the mobile phone. Note that this is USB, this is a Type-C receiver, and it only works for Type-C mobile phones. So all we need to do is we just need to connect this receiver to the microphone, and then it starts like this, blinking blue light. And then the next step that we need to do is there is a button at the back side of the transmitter. We can see the button now. We just need to hold the button for 3 seconds. Let me show you what happens. Yeah, so once you press and hold it for 3 seconds, actually green light blinks if the receiver is not connected to the microphone. If the receiver is already connected to the microphone, then the green light actually won't blink, and it is a stable light that you can see on the screen right now. That's all. The setup is done, and this microphone is ready to use now. You can just clip it to your collar or wherever you want to clip, and then it's ready to use. Right now I'm not using this microphone. I am using this Boya M1 collar microphone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this Boya M1 microphone with this wireless Grenaro microphone as well, so that we can see the quality difference between these two microphones. So right now whatever you are listening is from the Boya M1, and the mobile that I'm using to record this video is my Moto H50 Fusion. So this is Realme, my old mobile. I have just connected this to my old mobile phone to show you how to connect to your mobile phones. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this from Realme, and I'm going to connect it to my actual microphone, mobile phone that I'm going to using right now to shoot this, and then I'll make you see the difference between 2 microphones. So right now you are listening to the sound from this Grenaro wireless microphone. I have removed this. I have disconnected this Boya M1 from my mobile phone as well, and I have connected the new wireless microphone, and you are directly listening to the audio from this wireless microphone. So you can understand the difference between the quality, between the sound from the previous, this Boya M1 microphone, to the new one that I'm using right now, which is this new wireless microphone. So the thing is, I haven't heard the new quality yet. So this is my first video that I'm recording, and I still have to see what is the quality, what is the difference. Okay, I have heard the previous clip that I recorded, the first clip that I recorded with this microphone. This is my second clip that I'm recording. So what I found is, I'm not so surprised with the audio quality of this microphone when compared to the Boya M1. I still feel that Boya M1 is little, it's producing much clarity, much clear sound than this, and but that's not the end of this microphone, of course, because this microphone actually has 3 different modes of noise reduction. So what you are listening right now is the first. You can just think of it like a first level of noise cancellation, but you can go down and you can reduce the noise even further with this microphone, and I need to see whether that works actually, and whether that improves the audio quality as well.